you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, that's an awesome. Yeah. And this is Theldor, my YouTube channel, and I'm promoting my YouTube channel. And if you happen here in a certain area, I'm affiliated with a Wayfair. And if you scroll my YouTube, you can find the household that you like, especially the utensils, the cooking items, yeah, for you using for cooking, like pots and saute pan. It happened that I got the saute pan from the Wayfair, and I like it. It's cheap and it's very easy to clean. And when you fry it, it is slide the food. It's easy, very clean. It's very small. The interior, the inside, and the outside is easy cleaning, my friend. You will love it. You will love it. It's a